In this lesson, we will see some French cultural elements, and more precisely, we will see how to address French persons with tu or vous. So, that's the question. Tu or vous? Well, you will use tu for your friends, your family, your close colleagues, or your neighbors. So people that you know quite well. So friends, family, close colleagues, and neighbors, you will use tu. Remember that for friends and family, normally it's totally normal. Close colleagues, it means that you agreed that you would use this tu, and normally you started with the vous. Same goes with the neighbors. So now for the vous, the more formal one. It will be for your superior or your boss, a client, a person that you meet for the first time, and a formal situation. So vous will be, one more time, superior or boss, client, person you meet for the first time, or a formal situation.